Hi, my name is Daniel, a product specialist at Streamstar. In this video, I'd like to give you a brief overview of Streamstar's remote live production workflow. The term remote live production is a buzzword in our industry now. But back in 2009, when we launched our first large-scale IP-based remote production project, it was groundbreaking work. We never stopped pioneering the IP video revolution since. Over the years, video over IP technology became widely accessible, and today, remote live production over IP is an accepted alternative to standard broadcasting productions. So let's get started. This diagram shows the entire remote production workflow. On the right are the inputs. The sources are either remote IP inputs or local NDI inputs. Remote IP inputs are video signals from remote devices like encoders, cameras, or smartphones that produce a video stream, which is transported via the internet. Local NDI inputs are video signals from devices that produce an NDI signal, which is transported via a local area network. Those can be encoders, NDI cameras, screen capture applications, or smartphone apps. Additionally, you can use the ingest layer to ingest NDI video from external character generator system like Streamstar's own Score Plus and other third-party systems. All these signals are received in the remote production center, and the entire production is created using a Streamstar system. It accepts all sources as well as utilizes external controllers and audio devices. The program output from Streamstar is delivered for distribution through three different types of outputs simultaneously. First is the NDI output, which is sent to any NDI infrastructure, to NDI, to SDI or HDMI decoders, or to NDI applications. The second is via SDI or HDMI outputs to satellites, digital broadcasting systems, and external encoders, which can send the signal further, or SDI and HDMI monitors and recorders. The third type of output is live streaming to streaming platforms like YouTube, Facebook Live, or many others. This way, you can deliver your program to viewers all over the world. Sounds simple, right? Essentially it is. Although there's a huge amount of technology involved, with a Streamstar system, everything works smoothly. To show you a real-life example, watch a short behind-the-scenes video made during a recent remote live production. At the stadium, 4 JVC connected cams were used. The IP streams were sent over the internet to the TV station's production center, where the show was produced using a Streamstar IPX system. The graphics came over NDI from a Score Plus system, Streamstar's own live sports graphics solution.
A opäť je tu vynikajúca voľba hlavného trénera.
Streamstar's remote live production systems are being used daily all over the world. They are fine-tuned, easy to set up, and reliable. You can run a seamless remote live production using cameras practically anywhere in the world, just as if they were on a tripod next to you. Streamstar's remote live production systems will greatly expand your production capabilities and allow you to work smarter, faster, and easier. Check out our other videos and learn more about Streamstar by visiting our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.